Subaru Impreza repairs in my area. Subaru is the automobile manufacturing division of Japanese transportation conglomerate Subaru Corporation. The 21st largest automaker by production worldwide in 2017. Subaru cars are known for their use of a boxer engine layout in most vehicles above 1,500 cc. The features of the 2020 Subaru Impreza can vary depending on the trim level and specific options chosen. However, here are some common features found in the 2020 Subaru Impreza. Servicing a Subaru Impreza involves regular maintenance tasks to keep the vehicle in good condition and ensure its longevity. While specific service requirements may vary based on the model year and the Impreza's individual characteristics. Here are general guidelines for routine maintenance. Oil changes. Regularly change the engine oil and oil filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This is typically done every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. But consult the owner's manual for the specific interval. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top up various fluids, including brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for fluid change intervals. Brake inspection. Inspect the brake system regularly, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace brake components as needed. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and alignment. And replace tires when they become worn. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended by the manufacturer to ensure optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Battery inspection. Check the battery regularly for signs of corrosion or wear. Clean terminals and replace the battery if needed. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs according to the manufacturer's recommendations to maintain proper engine combustion. Timing belt. Chain replacement. Depending on the engine type, replace the timing belt or chain at the recommended intervals to prevent potential engine damage. Suspension and steering inspection. Inspect the suspension components, shocks, struts, and steering system regularly. Replace worn parts as needed. Check engine light diagnosis. Address any issues indicated by the check engine light promptly. Diagnostic scans can identify problems that require attention. Fluid leak checks. Periodically inspect the vehicle for any fluid leaks under the engine or transmission. Address any leaks promptly to prevent damage. Comprehensive inspections. Schedule comprehensive inspections at regular intervals to identify potential issues before they become major problems. Follow manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Refer to the vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and adhere to the specified service intervals. For precise maintenance requirements and schedules, refer to the Subaru Impreza owner's manual that corresponds to the specific model year. Additionally, Subaru dealerships or authorized service centers can provide tailored advice and professional service based on the vehicle's individual needs. Regular maintenance is essential to keep the Subaru Impreza running smoothly and to maintain its resale value over time.